Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a meeting in Line app. First thing you do is open up your Line app. At the bottom here you have home, chat and calls. Choose chat. At the top here you tap on this icon here in between. Let's go back. The first one here is to see your albums. The last one is to edit chat and sort chat. So the one in the center is to add the chat. Guys, you can create a chat, create group, or create a meeting. So it's a per meeting. Want to create meeting? So we need to connect more easily with a single click. You can start a video meeting with whomever you want by simply sharing a meeting link. Please note that meeting links are only valid for 90 days upon creation. When you join a meeting or send a message in a meeting chat, your line display name and profile photo will be visible to other participants. So if you want to continue, tap on create meeting. And then you can name the meeting by tapping on the pen icon next to your name. And then you can see the link. So you can copy the link by tapping on copy link, or invite people by tapping on invite to send them the link directly, or press start to start the meeting. It's as simple. And then tap on create meeting. I put it in that meeting again. So it's as simple as that. You can create as many as you want.